Hi everybody, it's good to be back. So right now I'm just making this video. I'm intending to make this a very quick video really because I just want to talk a little bit about the kind of things that are coming up. Now for those of you that know me quite well, you'll notice that I've not been very active on YouTube and there's a lot of reasons for that. Primarily, I've been very busy with a lot of personal projects that I've been working on. I've also been doing a tremendous amount of teaching, and really, with taking all that into consideration, I needed a bit of a break. So do forgive me, but the good news is I'm back. Laurie will be back as well. We're going to be pumping out quite a few videos this year. First thing we're going to look at is we're going to be doing some business and career skills. So for a lot of my business English students, we're going to be looking at a few things based around CVs, based around something called elevator pitching, and I'll explain that when we do post the videos on that. We're also going to be looking at doing some interviews with other teachers around the world to see what kind of challenges they have, and also how that can help my English learners as well get another perspective on different ways that English is taught. Another thing we're going to look at is, or I'm going to do personally, are having more natural conversations with friends, both native English speakers like me, but also people speaking English, but probably who don't speak English as a first language. And last but not least, we're also going to get back to the grammar. So we probably won't get any fresh video content out for a few weeks yet, but when we do, stay tuned. And I'd like to just also thank a lot of people who've subscribed recently, a lot of people who have gone on to watch the videos and support the channel. Please do keep subscribing, keep supporting us. It's been a fantastic journey, and again, none of this would be possible without your help. So thanks guys, and I'll be in touch when I've got some new content. Have a good day. Bye.